All right, my friends, let's start with a Costco haul. Some of this stuff was purchased for my husband and not for me, but I figured I would go through everything. Anyway, we're going to start with the fig bars back there. I don't eat the fig bars, so I didn't bother to check the points values of them, but my husband loves these things. They're a great snack for him. I did buy, I've got the nutrition information up here, a Costco-sized box of Stroop waffles. Why, you ask? Because we are running low on sweet treats in this house, and I just needed something. I needed an option. These are 4 points plus a piece, 2 for 8 points plus. I did not look at how many smart points it was. I'm not going to lie, because for me, it does not matter. But I'm willing to bet it's a lot more than 4 points, probably 6 a piece. I bought some turkey breast meat, egg whites. I love these. The Gilbert's Caprese chicken sausages are 3 points a piece on both plans, and they are in perf packs, so I can make one at a time without opening an entire pack, which is just fantastic. I love cooking these up with the cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's. So stinking good. What else did we get here? We got the chicken skewers, which I believe are 1 point in smart points, and they are 3 points plus. I got something new because I've been trying really hard to find a protein bar option for my husband that doesn't contain any sugar alcohols because they do not agree with his system. And I found these at Costco today. The Clean Protein Bar Come Ready Nutrition. These are 5 points plus and 6 smart points, I believe, a piece. And the ingredients are pretty decent, which I'm excited about, but most importantly, they do not have any sugar alcohols, which is wonderful. So he's gonna give those a try and see if his system can handle those, and I will probably try one too, let's be honest. We got some turkey jerky, because why not? We've got, my husband likes to eat nuts as a snack, so I got him organic whole cashews, unsalted, unroasted, just as natural as they can be. We got giant boxes of diced tomatoes and tomato sauce because why not? I did the math and they're actually very, very cheap to buy in bulk. So I decided to do that for a change. I got these Wisps Parmesan Cheese Crisps, which I've purchased once before because they're crispy. They're like a potato chip, but they're straight Parmesan cheese. And for me, what I like about them is there's only one carbohydrate. It is a fat and a protein source, but not a carbohydrate source. It is 4 points plus and 3 smart points for this product, which I think is just a great option since we're trying to not like formally minimize the amount of carbohydrates we eat, but when I can make the conscious choice to do something that's more fat and less carb, I will do it. And this is one way for me to do that. I did buy something new and exciting. I bought the Kodiak Cakes Power Waffles. I've never had these before. They are 3 points plus for 1, 6 points plus for 2. And here is the nutrition information in case you're curious. So if I decide to spend 6 points on it, I can get 12 grams of protein out of it, but what I'm thinking is it would be great to have one as like my carb part of my breakfast, you know, so instead of an English muffin or whatever, which I would spend 3 points on anyway, I can have a waffle and pop it in the toaster and feel like I'm having something good, have something with a little bit more protein in it than normal for only 3 points, so that's exciting. I hope I like those. And then I got carrots because carrots, my husband goes through carrots like potato chips. And then I got these. We recently started buying these just once when we go to Costco, and they are delicious. The Costco brand homemade stuffed peppers. There is no nutrition information. I track them as 5 points plus a piece. Sometimes 6. But because I, really can't decide what they are, and it's all decent whole ingredients. We've got the tomato filling, which is tomato puree, and we've got onions, sugar, salt, red peppers, green peppers, brown sugar, cooked ground beef, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, whatever, mozzarella cheese. Like, super basic and simple, but it's a meal that I don't have to prepare myself, which is awesome. So that is everything that I purchased at Costco today. Grocery haul part 2 is a little Trader Joe's haul, so let's go ahead and jump right in. I went through my first loaf of this bread. This is the sprouted wheat sourdough bread. It is fantastic, makes delicious avocado toast, and the macros are pretty stellar. We've got no fat, 14 carbs, 2 fiber, and 7 grams of protein. 7 grams of protein. It is 2 points plus per slice. Oh my gosh, it's a really good tasting bread too. I got some celery hearts. I got gnocchi alla gorgonzola, in my opinion, one of the best things in the store. 6 points plus 9 smart points per serving. I got some bananas because the bananas looked particularly good and I'm real picky about my bananas. Treat number 1 of 2, I think. Yes, 1 of 2 or 3, whatever. I decided to get some dark chocolate covered espresso beans because they sounded really good. I really love chocolate covered espresso beans and I have for years, since high school. And these are 4 points plus for the serving, which is probably not all that much if we're being honest. 1.4 ounces, 40 grams. So I'll have to weigh that out and see what that actually is. And then every once in a while I pick these bad boys up. They're $5 a box, but it's cheaper than getting them in any store. A dozen macaron cookies, so stinking good. And they are 1 point plus a piece, or 13 points plus for the entire box. Yes, I've done that math before. And it's 2 points plus, or 2 smart points per cookie on Smart Points. I got one thing of Trader Joe's reduced guilt macaroni and cheese. 7 points plus 8 smart points, I think. And then I got the tomato basil hummus dip. I really enjoy this, and it is 1 point per serving. I got these. I repurchased these too because these were really good. And you get a good bang for your points buck here. These are the chocolate chip cocoa meringues, and the serving of 3 of them. And they're, I mean, look at them. They're pretty big cookies. They're sizable. 3 of them are 2 points plus, if my memory serves correctly, and 5 smart points? Yeah, that makes sense. 5 smart points. I got 2 cans of black beans because I need to make chili. I got 2 things of diced onion because I'm lazy and it takes me a really long time to chop up vegetables. And sometimes I will buy the onions and I will do it myself, and other times I just don't care enough to do it, so I do that and it's fine. I'll pay the upcharge for the convenience because it will save me 20 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. More everything but the bagel seasoning because it's necessary. And this, I guess you could say this was a treat. I looked at this last time and I didn't pick it up, and I can't stop thinking about a really good meal of salmon. A good meal would be a good salmon fillet and this and some steamed vegetables. Holy cow, you guys, it's heaven. Heaven on earth. And I haven't made good salmon in a long time. I usually buy frozen fish instead of fresh fish, and I decided to buy fresh fish. This is wild caught, so it's the best kind. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Leave me down below, my friends, your best salmon cooking tips because I don't want to screw this up. I paid good money for this salmon. I want to make sure I make it the most delicious salmon that I possibly can. So there is part 2 of this grocery haul, and now let's move on to part 3, which is from Thrive Market. All right, so my last part of my grocery haul is from thrivemarket.com. I have it pulled up so I can tell you the prices, but it's that like natural, like inexpensive, members only, you do have to pay for a membership type grocery store place, but it has things at a deeper discount than you can really find it anywhere else. And so I decided to sign up for my free month, mainly for those bad boys right there, but we'll get to that in a second, just to see if I liked it enough to pay the money for the full year membership. And I think I might. We'll see. I think I might. But here is what I purchased. So I decided, I've never gotten a chance to try the Smashmallow crispy Rice Krispie type treats by Smashmallow brand, and these were $3.79, and they are 4 points plus a piece, I believe. They sounded really good. I did get some skincare things. I got some Witch Hazel facial toner, the official Thayer's brand, and this cost me $6.99. And then what was really cool is this Indian clay mask, which I thought was inexpensive getting it on Amazon, where you can get it for like, I can't remember if it's $6 or $8. On here, it was $4.59 for this giant tub that's going to last me a long time, and it is such a good facial mask. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorites. You mix it up with some apple cider vinegar if you have acne prone, oily skin, or just water or whatever. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And it was $4.59. Amazing. And then I decided to try something new and exciting. These are coconut macaroons. These were $2.99 a piece. They're organic, they're vegan, raw, paleo, blah, blah, blah. I really liked when I looked at them, the ingredients: unsweetened coconut, coconut syrup, coconut oil, vanilla extract, sea salt. Easy. And I got the brownie flavored ones as well. coconut, coconut syrup, cocoa powder, extra virgin coconut oil, cacao liqueur, vanilla extract, and Himalayan sea salt. So these are a dessert treat, and they are 2 points a piece, which is steep, but they're coconut based and whatnot. So they're just a little bit, I don't know, healthier? Question mark? She says hesitantly. We'll see. And what I did like about them though, I will say this, it had a little bit of fiber, but I liked that it had some fat content in it because fat fills me up, which is great. Then I decided to buy these brown rice cakes because my husband really likes rice cakes, and these are just plain old, like nothing but puffed rice, puffed grain brown rice, flax seeds, caraway seeds, and millet. Like super, super basic for $1.99. We'll see if he likes those. This I actually got for free because apparently you can add things for free to your cart. Like you get a freebie with every purchase over a certain amount of money. And this is like $7 in value or something. So I got this for my husband so he can have a snack. But the Smart Sweets, my friends, are the reason that I actually wanted to order stuff here, because even on the steepest of sales at Whole Foods, you can get them for maybe, what, $3 a package? Here, I got them for $2.79 a piece. So I went ham on them. I have a stash to last me a while now, and that is a very exciting thing. If you are interested in trying out Thrive Market, I have a link, and if you use my link, you can get 25% off your first order, which is amazing. Imagine how many Smart Sweets you can buy for that. So the link will be down below. Check out Thrive Market. I'm pretty pleased, although I haven't tried the food yet. I think I need to bust these open and give these a try.